What is that thing called?
This is a burette. Burette.
Stand up.
Stand. Clamp. Burette.
How do you spell
Okay.
that?
Look it up. You'll figure
Probably
it
French. Probably
Can
got
you
T
write
at
it
the
on the
end.
board?
All right now.
On the board.
Alrighty, I have a burette here. I'm going to get.
If she doesn't know how to spell it, how does she get upset?
That's the only way I'm going to remember how.
Okay, this is my unknown solution. Okay, unknown solution, and I'm going to put about 25 mils into the bottom. I'm not. I'm going to open it up. So you should be taking notes as we're going. So I don't know the concentration of this stuff. Okay. I do know that it's sodium chloride though. It's taking forever, but 25 mils of sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, I apologize. Okay, that's on film, that's awesome. So I filled up my beaker with 25 mils of sodium chloride. Okay. In my burette, hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide.
You said both.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's because I'm being recorded. I'm so nervous. Sodium hydroxide. It's on the camera now. That's not part of the dodgy bit. That's just me being dodgy. All right. I'm going to pour
Oh my gosh, David.
up the top here. So 1 molar per liter hydrochloric acid. 1 molar per liter hydrochloric acid.
How do you know how to do that?
What do you mean, how do I know how to do it?
He's an expert.
Oh, I did not.
Okay, that's pretty dodgy.
Oh, I did not close the.
Pretty dodgy.
Oh
I
no.
think you have to start again.
Yeah.
Oh no. Do I? All right. So, this is my waste.
This is so
Okay.
dodgy.
So, I need to put 25 mils of sodium hydroxide in the bottom.
Yes.
Silly sausage.
So what happened there is I didn't have my stopcock closed here. Okay.
What is that?
All right. So 25 mils. Oh, close enough. I'm out of sodium chloride now because I've wasted some. Don't have any extra. Sodium. Oh, I keep saying the wrong thing. Sorry. Sodium hydroxide. Well, unknown sodium hydroxide. I've now put
So you
20
have to do it the makeup artist way.
25 mils there.
You gotta go like this.
You gotta show it behind your hand so then
You gotta
see it properly.
Do it the James Charles.
Like this.
Yes.
Okay. You guys are having so much fun with this. Alright, so now my stop clock is closed. I'll get the hydrochloric acid and I'll pour it
How
in.
can you tell how much you're doing it? Like,
That's a great question.
Dodginess.
So this is a burette, and I'm being specific now. This is a graduated cylinder, which means it has marks down the side. The 0 is up here, and I'm going to aim for that.
I don't think it's going to work here.
Okay. The total from the top 0.
Oh, that's trash, isn't it?
Are you serious?
What is that?
CYLINDER.
Okay.
What's this?
Oh my
one?
god. CYLINDER.
What are you putting in there? What is the name?
So hydrochloric acid, I'm going to try and get it to close to the 0 there. Okay. So at our level,
What's
it's
the
pretty good.
long thing called?
This burette,
Oh, the scientific name that's easier to spell for it.
graduated cylinder.
There you go.
There we go. Alright. So, if I zoom in for the camera, okay, it has, you looking? It has a stopcock there, and it's got, I don't know if you can see that. See those numbers there? 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, going up. So the top up here is 0.
Why?
Okay? What do you mean why?
Why is 0 at the top and not at the bottom?
Okay, because we're measuring from when we empty it to go down. Okay. Now, I want to know what happens when my sodium my hydrochloric acid and my sodium hydroxide matches up. We should be.
It's purple.
What's that?
Pepper.
So you
What is
can't
that, sir?
Yeah. No. So I've added to this. I need something.
Did we
white.
do that in the experiment or did we leave it?
So I've added to this an indicator. You can see that's purple. Okay, about 3 or 4 drops. Okay, that is universal indicator. Okay, that way. Okay, universal indicator will not affect the solution. It will change color though and tell me when I get to a neutral. Okay, what is the neutral pH?
7.
7. Good. So it should look like this greeny, grey, yellowy color there. Yeah, it's really difficult to do this. I'm not doing that. I don't even know what you're talking about. All right.
Not professional.
All right. So if it's acidic, if I've gone too far, okay, it'll be red. If I'm starting on basic, it'll be purple. Okay, which is what we're at now. So I'm judging by this. I have a pH of 10. So it's very basic down here, sodium hydroxide. Now, the explicit instruction. When we are doing this, and this is the legitimate part to make sure you have to, we use our, just turn this around a bit, use our dominant hand to stir or swirl whatever receptacle you have down the bottom. Okay. We use our non-dominant hand to churn this stopcock. And for those on video, okay, so my hand is blocking the view there, but the hand, my non-dominant hand turns this, my right hand swirls. Okay? Alright. Actually, I might keep it pretty close so you can see that. You're in the video. There we go. Can we see that okay? Good. So, I will use my non-dominant hand to turn the thing. No, looks like there's a bit of an air gap there. Hopefully that's not dodgy. Alright, and I'll slowly let some liquid in. Okay, and I'll swirl it around. It's pretty hard to see the colour. It's starting with purple, it's slowly going down. Oh, and I've got a colour change.
Wow.
Okay.
It's like Christmas.
It's like Christmas. That's a pretty pinky looking colour. So I've had enough go past. It's not quite. I think I've gone too far. I think it's supposed to be yellow. Alright, that's my first example. Okay. I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do 2 trials. I think 2 trials would be good. Alright. But that's my first one. I can measure. I'm down to... I started at 0 and I've gone down 13 point... Oh, that looks like the top of the line there is 13.1. Okay, 13.1. I know I've used that many milliliters. 13.1. Okay. Back to it. Now it's working. So I've just added 25 mils of my sodium hydroxide. I keep saying the wrong name. Okay, I'm going to add a couple of drops of universal indicator. 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 for this one. 5 drops there. Going to give it a swirl. Okay, and I can see that that is a purpley colour. Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to start again. I'm going to swirl. A couple of drops, you reckon?
And then start and then stop and then start.
Start and stop. So, waiting for a colour change, waiting for a colour change. It's a bit hard to see. Why is it so hard to see? Okay. Drop, drop, drop. Going down slowly. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Again, this actual stirring is the way you should be doing it. A bit hard to see still. Okay. Dropping, dropping, dropping. Oh, a little bit too quick. I don't know. Oops. A couple of drops.
Why isn't it changing that? It's like,
Slowly dropping, slowly dropping. Can you guys see that? Yep.
they can see. So
You put in more than you did last time.
Have I? That's interesting. Shouldn't it be the same each time?
no.
If they're the same concentrations, maybe it should be. I don't know. Dropping. Still purple. Ooh. Stop. I've stopped.
Oh, it's yellow. It's gross.
Yellow.
That's
Too much?
No, I think that's fine.
Let's go back to our thing.
Is it supposed to be red?
7 is
Alright.
like the pink colour before.
What's it supposed to be?
Yeah. So have I gone far enough? I'm still kind of in yellow here.
I think it's
Alright, I'll add a couple more drops.
So what was the concentration of the one you put at the top? Is it the same as
Yeah. 1 molar was at the top. Just a couple more drops. It's gone pink.
See, I told you he was at the yellow. That was
Maybe I should have measured that when I got to that point. I don't know. Alright, but that's looking to be, if I was looking at this, I think I'm at about 5. 5 on my colour scale. Oh, don't do that. That's not what you're supposed to do. Okay, it looks about to be a bit on that 5 scale. Alright. So, the top, again, stressing, the top of my line is at 37.6. 37.6.
No, it's liters.
That's my second trial. Fun.